This is the 15th last mantra. Please repeat. Parite dhanvano hetarasman vanaktu vishvatah. Athoya ishudhistavare asman nidehitam. This pari will go with vrinaktu. Those who are Sanskrit students. Pari vrinaktu means avoid. Avoid. So in Sanskrit, one word can be added somewhere else. Sanskrit doesn't follow. Ram goes to school. So you can't say in English, school Ram goes. Goes Ram school. But in Sanskrit you can turn anywhere. Rama Vidyalayam gacchati. Some simple Sanskrit. So you can say gacchati Rama Vidyalayam. You can say Vidyalayam Rama gacchati. You can put any word anywhere. Because there you are seeing vibhakti there. Which case is there? Gacchati you see. But in English you can't do like that. So, but why do trouble? Why can't they see straight? I'm already having a lot of problems. No, to make the meter sound musical, to complete it. Scholars are lovely. So dhanvanaha, that means that belonging to the bow. Heti means weapon. Asman us. Pranivraktu. Let that arrow avoid us from all direction. Vishwatah means from all direction. And then it is said, then Bhagavan said, then where to place this arrow? Already I am there in my hand. Bole, athoya ishudhi, that quiver which is there, tava, you definitely shoot. Where? On my enemies. It is said, are. Are means to that enemies, asman nidehitam, you shoot there. You are very happy, good. I think this is very good for me. No, but here it is meaning inner enemies also. We have more inner enemies than our enemies. One defect in a person can create terrible disturbance. You don't need two. One is enough to make your life a problematic life. Just have laziness and you will get a lot of scolding. Every person will be always delayed. Therefore, English delay and Hindi dhile. बोले बड़े ढीले आदमी हैं. Then delay and delay goes together. Everybody loses my trust. Well, he doesn't do anything. He doesn't do anything in time. So this is the prayer to make the Lord's heart melted. Melted means, I don't want, tumko kuch na hoga. And therefore when Sudarshan Chakra, when Ambrish was being, that Bhagavad story comes. That Durvasa ji came. He put out one dimness from the hair. That means he was not bald. So when he put out one hair, one demon came. He ran towards Ambrish. Are baap re, how Sudarshan Chakra came. Killed that demoness. Ran behind Durvasa then. And he didn't know that he is protecting. So your life is not that. Whom you have worshipped is around you. One Mahatma was there and somebody hit him with one stick. But he couldn't hit, his hand got stunned like that. Somebody said, what you did? He said, I didn't know anything. Some devatas are around me. So who is pleased with you, he sees that nothing bad should happen to you. Last day of Mahabharata. Every day Bhagavan Krishna used to get down, then he used to hold Arjun's hand and bring him down from the chariot. Last day he said, Arjun, you get down first. So Arjun got down. And then Bhagavan Krishna got down. Moment he got, whole chariot got blasted like that. That is called Dagdarath Nyaya in Nyaya Shastra. Arjuna said, what is this? He said, so many weapons were coming on your chariot. You would have been dead long back. I was holding it. So don't think that you are one individual only. Who is happy is around you. When you get up, he gets up. When you sit down, he sits down. When you walk, he walks. When you talk, he comes on your tongue. When you hear, he starts hearing. That is the power of Upasana. So if you chant this Rudram, when you walk, Lord Shiva will walk with you. When you sit, he will sit with you. When you talk, he will talk with you. When you sleep, he will sleep with you. When you eat, he will eat with you. Dekho, we are not just separated, segregated individual just like that. And therefore you say, Bhai, he is a very punyashali person. Bring him, everything will be okay. Auspicious, his presence is auspicious. He has done something. You know, Shringarishi was there. Shringarishi, have you heard about it? Shringeri is there in Karnataka. You know who was Shringarishi? Who? Who did Havan for Bhagwan Ram's birth? Shringarishi. Bhagwan Ram had one sister, Shanta. She was married to that one king. In Valmiki Ramayana that comes. Totally famine was there. No, say Shringarishi, you bring him here. Any place where famine was there, he was brought it rained. So much Indra Devata was happy on him. So war was not between Arjun and Karna. It was between who is happy on Arjun and who is happy on Karna. It actually was a war between Bhagwan Krishna and Duryodhana actually. So we should try our best to make somebody around, because he will give thought also. Same medhaya spranotu. He will give me medha also. He can forget me, he make me forget also. Matta smritir jnana apohanam cha. Let us chant next verse. This is not a part of Rudram in the original Vedas, but it is traditionally chanted after the first one. And then a small correction. Please don't give gap. Generally you are chanting like that. Namaste astu Bhagavan Vishveshwaraya. There is no pause. Don't give a pause. Generally we are chanting like that. Namaste astu Bhagavan Vishveshwaraya. फिर रुक गए थोड़ा सा. Mahadevaya Trayambakaya. Technically speaking, when you go for a strict chanting, they don't allow this. I'm not talking a lot of strict chanting. Well, don't become very strict. No, chanting I'm talking. So, I will now chant. You please hear and then you chant. We will not break in between, because this is one whole mantra. Namaste astu Bhagavan Vishveshwaraya Mahadevaya Trayambakaya Tripurandakaya Trigalagni Kalaya Kalagni Rudraya Nilkantaya Mrityunjayaya Sarveshwaraya Sadashivaya Shriman Mahadevaya Namaha. Good. So namaste, फिर से नमस्कार करते हैं. देखो. Please note one small point. Chanting will be affected when in non-chanting hours you are not doing anything to displease him. Again I am repeating. your puja, chanting, jap will not be having any effect if in non-chanting and non-puja hours I do something that displeases the God. As if somebody got a lot of sweets for me, and then somebody says he beats his wife every day. The very desire to take anything was over after that. Therefore, everybody's puja is not taken. Puja is not a shortcut and visa to get Lord's grace immediately. You may do a lot of puja, it may have no effect. Non-puja hours, I should not lie. I should not trouble anybody. I should not have bad intentions towards anybody. I should not hurt anybody. Other there are two hours of puja. When I sit personally, one-to-one, and when I sit with his vibhutis. And both time puja has to be done. More pervasive is my puja, easier it is to get him pleased. One is called keeping the house clean, other is called cleaning the house. Got my point? Cleaning the house is 1 hour. But keeping the house clean is 24 hours. Supposing some tea has spilled immediately, I say, let me clean this. One is called puja karna, I'm worshipping the God, other is I'm having a worshipful mood all the time. One is called meditate, I'm going to do meditation, other is I am in a meditative poise all the time. One is ध्यान करना, other is called ध्यान रखना. जो ध्यान रखते हैं वो ध्यान कर सकते हैं. तो ध्यान करेंगे, ऐसा नहीं कि हम ध्यान न रखें फिर ध्यान एकाएक शुरू हो जाए. Not having the mood of puja and doing sudden puja, that is not right. There is no time, there is nothing called sacred and secular in Hinduism. Everything is sacred only. This secular word I don't know where from it came. Here talking is sacred, eating is sacred, sleeping, therefore before everything there is a mantra chanting. Before eating mantra, before sleeping mantra, putting feet on the floor mantra, taking bath mantra, putting on chandan mantra. Mantra is a reminder. It's a reminder, a divinizer. Okay, putting on clothes also there is a mantra. Plucking tulsi also there is a mantra. Bilpatra also there is a mantra. Okay. Namaste astu Bhagavan Vishweshwaraya. Now he is saying, oh Rudra, oh Bhagavan. Bhagavan word had come earlier also. Where? Om Namas, Om. 6 meanings were there, 6 words. So that Rudra who is standing with his weapons now all his weapons have come down now. And that Rudra Ugramurti, the red eyes have become Saumya Murti now. The long scattered hairs which were there, and his neck, you know what is his neck? Sky is his neck, Nilkantaya. It has now become quietened now. And now this devotee is chanting the mantra, Namaste astu Bhagavan Vishweshwaraya, Vishwasya Ishwaraha, Tat Purush Samas. You are the Lord of the whole world. Ishwar, understand? No? What? Kartum Shakya, Akartum Shakya, Anatha Kartum Shakya. Like you are the Ishwar of your small room. Put the sofa here, flower pot there. Bed you can turn here. It was facing north, now you put it south. Just make some adjustment. Or you are Ishwar of your own, head, or hair. I can put this hairstyle, that hairstyle. Ye chote mote hum Ishwar hai. Earlier I had mustache, then I went for clean shave. So this is all, where you are free to do anything. He is free to do anything in the whole world. He can create pralaya in no time. He can make totally foolish person brilliant. And brilliant foolish. One very brilliant was there, one in Jaipur, he was going in New York, somebody just, the mugging is there. He hit him. He lost his memory now. लो, ईश्वर हो गया. One beautiful girl was there. In one, that pressure cooker blasted, whole face got burned. खत्म. 1 second में beauty चली गई. One who can do anything at any time, at any place, without using any means also. He's called Vishweshwaraya, Vishwanath, Vishwasyanatha. Okay. You are talking to him. He is the addressee there, Vishweshwaraya. I offer my namaskar to you. So when you do namaskar, please think he is having a very big form in front of you. A Virat form he is standing in front of you. With Trishul and Damru in his hand. Mahadevaya. Dev means Dottanath Deva. This is Karmdhare Samas. He is Mahadevaya. He is most effulgent of all. Shining like anything. Sun is shining because of him. Na tatra suryo bhati na chandra tarakam. Sun is not shining on him. Sun is shining because of him. Oh my God. All stars and all suns are doing circumambulation around him. That is called Mahadevaya. Self-effulgent is there. Trayambakaya. 3 eyes, 1 eye is sun, other is moon, and third is fire. Sun is eyes of justice, but moon is eyes of compassion. Justice without compassion will be ruthlessness. And compassion is there, no justice is there, too much compassion, it will be lethargy, loose system. And this, but at the same time, he has Gyan Chakshu also. He is not affected by anything. Trayambakaya. 3 eyes he has. Tripurantakaya. Tripurasura was one Rakshas. But Adhyatmic means waking, deep sleep and dream. There are 3 states. This is finished by the consciousness. That was Tripurantakaya. Consciousness gulps all these 3 states. Trikala Agni Kalaya. Trikalev Agni. Madhyam Lobh Samas is there. 3 times are like Agni. He is the fire of these 3 times. In Kathopanishad one mantra comes, Yasya Brahmacha Kshatram Cha Ubhe Bhavata Odana. Mrityur Yasya Upsejanam Koitha Vedayatrasa. Brahman and Kshatri are like the rice ball for him. And death is like pickle. He eats the death also. Therefore he puts vibhuti. Everybody decorates himself. No. With the pose, position, money, drawing room, car. He decorates with the dust of, after burning, what remains is his vibhuti. After name and form has gone, that is after his decoration with the timelessness he is decorating. His vibhuti is there. Trikala Agni Kalaya. Kala Agni Rudraya. Kala Agni, Kal is the Agni. And Rudraya means, I told 2 meanings were there. Neelakanthaya. Neelakanthaya means, remember that? Sign of compassion is there. He has taken the poison of all jivas. Mrityunjayaya. Mrityunjayaya. My time is over. Mrityunjay, you know that, how Mrityunjay? Markandeya was there, who had a boon. Father asked whether you want a long, aged son, but foolish, and or 16 years, but highly brilliant. He said, this 16 years. Now he was worshipping God, Lord Shiva. And when Lord Yama came, so he out of his fear for Yama, he embraced that shivling like this. Yama put the pash, the noose, on him and shivling both and dragged. Bhagwan Shiv came with his damru and burned the Yama to ashes only. एक और विभूति तैयार हो गई. विभूति तैयार करते रहते हैं नई नई रोज. सर्वेश्वराय. He is the Lord of all. What He wants, that alone will be done. Therefore, your life will never be as you had wanted. Please surrender. Surrender is a joyful acceptance of God's will. Sadashivaya, He is ever auspicious.